Hey guys, Briggs here from Ngbuzz YouTube channel, coming to you with a new unboxing video. Today I have on our table is the Infinix Note 7. It's an LTE device with the key feature being the 48 megapixel camera. There's no way I'll start this video without mentioning that first. So before we go into the key features which I know you want to find out about, let's just open the pack and see what you expect to find when you buy this device from the market. I hope you all are having a good Christmas celebration. I am in the office and we have to make this one. It's the time to buy Christmas gifts, so this is the perfect gift for your parents, for your siblings who are using an old Android device. This was released in April of 2020, so it's really new. They will appreciate this device if you don't want to go for the high expensive devices. This is just a moderate priced device. At the end of this video I'll tell you the price, but for now let's find out what's in the pack. Just by opening this box you can clearly see the phone is a long one. This is a 6.6 inch screen that you're looking at right now. If I take off the top, you can clearly see it has a front facing camera which is 8 megapixel with an LED flash, so at night your pictures will still come out looking pristine clean. And at the back, can you see what I'm saying? Let me come close. That's 3 cameras you've seen right there and a flash. It looks like 4 cameras, but no, it's 3. It's not arranged like you have 3 in a circle form like the iPhones do. It's arranged in a linear form. So an LED flash and 3 cameras. 48 megapixel, 2 megapixel, and another 2 megapixel. On the side, you have where you can slot in your SIM cards, SIM 1, SIM 2, and SD card slot. So it's a dual SIM phone. So that's pretty neat. And on this side, you have your volume controls up and down and your power button. Now you're wondering, where is the fingerprint sensor? None. There's no fingerprint sensor at the back. There's none at the bottom here. This fingerprint sensor is on the side. This is a new technology for Infinix, and there are not many phones that have put their fingerprint sensor on the side. This is really convenient for phone users. Rather than putting your finger and trying to locate it at the back properly, you can just put it on the side and your phone unlocks. So probably you would want to use your thumb for your fingerprint unlock. So that's this device. Let's see what else is in the pack. You have your little guide. The battery for this device will not be in the box, so don't expect to find the battery here. The battery is already inside the device. It's an inbuilt battery. Do not try to take it out. It is screwed in. So it's a 5000 mAh polymer lithium battery, and that's all you should know about it. It's not really high, so you probably need a power bank if you're going to use it for a long time. This is a short instruction manual and a cover case. So you have your screen protector, which goes on your screen. Let somebody help you do it if you don't know how to do that. This screen protector, however, is not enough protection for your screen. As you see, it's a plastic one. You need a glass screen protector that when your phone hits the ground, that glass will break instead of your phone screen. This is just for temporary use. This is not what I recommend as a screen protector for your device. But however, the plastic back will cover it from scratches when you put it on the table and all that. So this will help, but there are some other thicker protecting cover case that you can buy instead of this default one. What else we find here is the earpiece. Make sure yours has not been taken out of the box when you buy it, and then you have your USB charger. Nothing new. So that's all. Charger, earpiece, small instructional manual, protective covering, and your SIM tray. If you want to pop out the SIM by the side, you will need this little pin here to pop it out. You know how that works. So that's all that is in the box. Let's talk more about the features of this phone that will make you want to buy it, and of course the price. So first off, I'll tell you right now, it has Android 10 operating systems. And And of course, all Infinix devices come with the XOS range of softwares that helps you use your device smoothly. If I should power it on, I know you're curious to see the welcome screen. I do not have a SIM card inside it right now. The storage on this device is 64 gigabytes of internal storage and a 4 gigabytes of RAM. So 4 gig is not like crazy. There is a 6 gig RAM in the market out there if you're looking for a higher range of devices. This device also comes with a different model which has 28 gigabytes internal storage. That one is a little bit expensive. When we talk about the price, you see the difference between the two and you choose. As for the processor, it's your normal MT6762 processors, nothing different in the chip ranges, it's still the same Infinix chips. Connectivity, your standard GPS, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and an FM radio, it's included. Your network, it's 4G like I said. Of course, you can have 3G and 2G options if you want to choose. And then the 6.6-inch display. That's basically everything about this device. It looks a little bit heavier than your standard Infinix devices because the casing is actually a metallic casing. Now this is, what color is this? Purple? Rose? Kind of purple, right? Yeah. But you want to check in the market for other color ranges if you prefer that. The first thing it shows you is the camera, which is kind of smooth. So that's this device. The price, before I forget, in Nigeria it is 68,000 naira. For local prices, it might get up to 70,000 depending on which online shop you're buying from. We'll put a link below if you want to buy this device. We have the Konga and Jumia links with a little bit of discount if you buy from our links below. If you're an international audience, you might consider this device at around 140 US dollars. So 140 US dollars for the 64 gig range, and of course the 128 gig range will always be more expensive. That's all I have for you. This has been a video brought to you by Ngbuzz YouTube channel. My name is Soki Bricks, and if you have any questions about this device, don't hesitate to leave it below and we'll get back to you. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Merry Christmas and happy holidays. Bye-bye.